That is Hurricane Matthew. Going up to the coast. Keep going up. Category 4. It killed a lot of people. It killed over 21 people. Post-tropical. Search. This is another storm. It's called Taylor. Tropical Taylor. It was a category 4. It hit the side of the coast right there, and it killed over 142 people. Here's another one right here. It's a low place. It's going up, it's going up, it's going up. It's a tropical storm. And its name is Meriden. That's the name, and it killed over 51 people. That's the only thing I have to tell you about hurricanes. Okay, bye.